Martin Roberts off the telly here with my top 101 property investment tips. This little section more about property renovation. And tip number 46 is get references for whoever you're thinking about working alongside. So builders, subcontractors, solicitors, anybody. Personal recommendation is always best, but then there are trade bodies and organisations and places that actually do a kind of Trustpilot type analysis of whoever you might be considering using. Read what they say, look at it all in the balance, and then meet the people, and don't ignore your gut instincts. And of course, don't forget to get any work that you're having done written down in writing to make sure that there are no misunderstandings later on. More hints and tips on martinroberts.com and also on Martin Roberts Property Tidbits on YouTube.